Saturday morning, the 30th of August, 2025. We're sitting here in Emerson. We've been waiting on a southbound train coming by where this mid-engine train can go north. But we've about waited as long as we're going to. We got a lot we want to get done today, and sitting here waiting is not going to work. We're going to video going up to Cartersville, and we'll try to, maybe this train will come south by then, and this one will head up north, and we'll try to catch it in Cartersville. But we're going to start back north now on Georgia 293 and hopefully get a train, but we'll see. We're recording this with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Plus or 9 Plus Pro, whatever it is. We haven't learned the editing on it yet, and we don't like the way it does. It doesn't edit the same way our Samsung does. And I haven't put very little effort in trying to learn it, but it's supposed to be a very good camera and phone. Between the Insta360, the Samsungs, the Osmos, the GoPros, and this phone, trying to learn all this different stuff is a little bit more than I want to do. Doug's place here in Emerson, it's been sold and bought out, but they said they're being consistent or keeping it like it, like it has been all along. It sure is crowded. People love it. I've eaten biscuits here a couple of times. I wasn't overly impressed. It was good, but like I said, so much of breakfast and barbecue, stuff like that. Biscuits. It's very subjective to a person's taste. Now listen, we've just left Emerson and we're on Georgia 293. This is old US 41 as well. Going all the way up through Adairsville and of course 41 all the way down to Miami, all the way up I think somewhere Chicago, Michigan somewhere. And it's in a bunch of different segments. About the only thing I know how to do in this video with this 9 Pro Pixel Pro, whatever it is just to add a caption to the video. So we'll upload this straight to YouTube when we get up here in Cartersville. We record everything in 1920 by 1080 full HD. Well, I say everything, not everything. Sometimes some stuff we go to 4K, but not much. We need to start doing more, I guess. Yeah, 16:9 aspect ratio. It is 8:30. Well, that's Athens, let's see. Gainesville, we're not in Gainesville anymore. Anyway, mid-60s. Crossing the Etowah River, Alatoona Lake to the right, Rome, all of that to the left, Indian Mounds. The Etowah combines with the Oostanala in Rome, forming the Coosa, going out of Rome over into Alabama. Here comes that train. Wouldn't you know it? The train we were waiting on coming south is just going by. Well, we'll sit up here and we'll wait for this one, this mid-engine train headed north. If we'd sit there another couple of minutes, we'd have had 2 trains. But we should get this mid-engine coming up through Cartersville. This will give us a few minutes to prepare, start getting this one uploaded and getting ready for that mid-engine coming north. This GMC van has been sitting up here for about a year, I guess. I asked them once about selling it. I may stop and ask them again. Do they have trim rings on it? I need trim rings for the 98 van. No, it doesn't have the trim rings. It'd be a great parts van. We ought to be in good position to get this northbound train. We got a bunch of police on our bumper back there. What y'all doing? At least 2, 3 of them? 3 of them. What y'all doing back there? Y'all gonna put the light on us or what? Yeah, that didn't look like it was a very long southbound train, so we ought to be in good position up here to catch this northbound train. We're going to turn right here and go down, unless these police put the blue light on us. Who are y'all? What municipality are y'all? Tell. The sheriff must be whatever county this is. And we ran across a guy one time here and we got right in his way videoing. I guess these are these CSX guys here. I don't know who these guys are. Yeah, they're CSX people. They're doing something or other. We ought to be in good position to get this train when it comes through. Well, we're going to cut this one off and we'll get ready for the train coming north, that mid-engine train.